Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina, and y'all, I got a little envelope and I was like, what is this? I don't know what this is. And I read down here, it's from FabFitFun. So I just opened my FabFitFun and I realized there was a couple products missing. I haven't even had time to contact them about it, but it looks like they're just coming in different boxes because this is the one of the products that was missing. So this is the Pearl Toggle VR, witch bracelet. It is a $52 value. I paid $29 for it. Now I'm a sucker for the jewelry. Look, y'all. It's so pretty. Hang on. I'm doing this backwards. All right. Look at that. This is a Camuto product. Made in Vietnam. But I think it's gorgeous. What do y'all think? I don't know. Maybe I should put it on the other side so the pearl will be over here next to me. You know me, I can never make up my mind about anything. All right, what do we think? Fun little update for my FabFitFun box. It's cute. Would y'all pay $29 for it? I mean, it is Camuto. I don't know if I should have, but I did. All right, comment below. Let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed it. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.